In this short tutorial, I will show you how to send photos as document in WhatsApp. Sending photos as documents allows you to maintain the original quality of the image without compression. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the conversation where you want to send the photo. Then tap on the plus button at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then tap Document. Then select this option. Choose photo or video. What you want to do next is choose the photo that you want to send as a document. Then tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, I sent the photo as a document. With this simple method, you can now easily share high-resolution photos with your friends and family on WhatsApp without worrying about losing quality. Remember that you can send photos as documents of up to 2 GB in size, making it convenient for sharing large files effortlessly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.